Hello and welcome to our 12th and final class on how to make your own natural makeup. In this class, we're focusing primarily on the presentation and preparing you for the test should you choose to take it. So let's just take a real quick look at how far we have come. So we have learned about the history of makeup. We've learned about materials and taking care of our skin, making your face chart, foundations, concealers, blushes, eyeliner, eyeshadow, mascara, lipstick, lip gloss. We learned a little bit about some tips on putting it all together. And now we have come to the very last class today. So I'm going to talk about kind of what I need you to do for this final class. So the number one thing I need you to do for this last class is to do your presentation. Now, we have learned so many different recipes for making your own makeup, and um, your job now is to take one of those recipes and to make that recipe and talk a little bit about your experience with that. So the first thing you need to do is tell us what you made, tell us what ingredients you used, give a brief explanation of how you made it, and tell us what you thought when you used it. Did you like it? Did you not like it? And is there anything that you would have done differently? Okay, so you can just write a paragraph or so about this, um, and you can either upload it to the classroom, or if you choose to take the test, you can upload that to the test page as well. If you do choose to do that, if you want to, you can add a couple of photographs to kind of give us an idea of what it looks like. So that is your final presentation. Now, if you choose to take the test, you will find attached to this lesson um, a PowerPoint game. This is in the format of Jeopardy! If you've ever played the game Jeopardy! Um, there's four topics, and each question is worth a certain number of points. You can go through this on your own and just review the answers if you want. You can play it like a game, whatever you choose to do. That's up to you. But if you are going to take the test, um, I do want you to review this because a lot of your test questions are going to be pulled from this game. So you're going to want to review that. Um, if you don't want to take the test, you don't have to. Don't have to review this, but it's kind of a fun thing to do to kind of see how much you have learned along the way. Now let's talk a little bit about that test and everything put together. So should you choose to take that test, 60 points from your grade will come from your final presentation. 40 points will come from the multiple choice questions. So you will have a total of 100 points for the class, and all of that will be contained within that test form. The test is given via Google Forms. The link is posted in your lesson, so you can go ahead and take that. However, should you choose to take that test, when you are finished, after you finish the test, please send me an email and let me know, because it will not finalize your grade until I go in and I put some of those final grades in. So when you're finished, it's going to look like maybe you only have, 35 or 40 points out of 100. That's not your final grade. Okay, I have to go in and I have to change that. So please, when you are finished, make sure that you let me know, that you email me, and then I will finalize your grade and you'll receive confirmation from me, and then you'll also receive just an automated email from Google that your test has been finalized. But please make sure that you notify me. All right, if you have any questions about anything that you've learned or anything about your final presentation or your test, please let me know. Uh, Thank you for being in my class. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and I hope you've learned a little bit about makeup and the history and how to make your own and some of the things that go into making makeup. Um, and I hope to have you in class again. So thank you so much for being in my class. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.